Hello class and welcome to coding. This is our very first day and we are going to be learning how to code in Python today. And to do that, we're going to start on a website called Trinket. So what I need you to do is you're going to go to the URL bar up here and you're going to type trinket.io and it's going to take you to this website. Trinket is a place where you can write programs and store programs. So what we're going to do is we're going to sign up for your free account right here and go ahead and log in with your Google account. So just click on sign in with Google and use your Kent Field Schools address. And it will ask you for a username and password. I recommend creating your username the same as your Kent username and your password the same as your Kent password. This will allow you to create what are called trinkets, which are little programs, and then you can save them. So now that you've signed in, I'm going to go ahead and create my very first trinket. So I'm going to click here, and notice that there are two choices for Python. Python 3 and then Python, and Python means Python 2 point something. We're going to use that one because it's free, and we all like free. We don't have to pay any money. So I'm going to click on Python. And this is what my first trinket looks like. This is where I write my program over here. And on this side is where my program actually runs. So I'm going to write my very, very first program. And I'm going to use print, which is a command in Python. Notice that it's red, because it shows you when it's red that Python actually understands what that word means. If I type foobar, it's black. Python does not know what that word means. But print is a command in Python. I'm going to put what I want to print in quotes, and I'm going to say, hello, Kent Middle School. Okay? And I'm now going to run my program. You can see that it ran here. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to save my program. So I'm going to go ahead and save it. And I think it's going to ask me for a name. No, it's untitled. And I think I can change the name of it here. Let's see if I can. Yes, I can. Hello _ Kent. You can't often use spaces in programming, so it's a good idea to get used to not using spaces. So I'm going to go ahead and save it. Boom. And last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to share it with my teacher to show that I've completed the very first project. So I'm going to click on share. And I'm just going to go ahead and email this to my teacher. I would like to send this to rmaltzman@kentfieldschools.org. That's an email you'll be using a lot. Your name is Bob Sample Student, if that's your name. Your email is whatever your email is, and then you go ahead and send it. And then it's sent. And this way you can turn in your code to your teacher. You'll do that when you finish a project. So you have finished your very first project. Let's talk about what you've learned. You've learned how to sign in to Trinket. You created a username and password. You created your very first program. You saved that program, and then you emailed it to your teacher. Yay! And if you wanted to, you could even create a new trinket. By the way, if we go to trinkets, we'll see Hello Kent is there. That's my very first project. And now I'm going to create a new trinket, which is Python. And this will be my second program. But we'll talk about that later. So that's the end of this video, and let's see if you can do the same.